चौथाना हाटल्यान रे लागल्या चेड्याचे पुरसाव कोण म्हाका चॉकलेट हाडून दिता कोण म्हाका पिक्चराक पळयता कोण म्हाका बिस्किटां पायता कोण म्हाका पयशे दाखयता I love you म्हणून किसरे मुसो मागताय मुझे कोणे दुसरे मागनात काय कासरचा तो हा फकत गोंयकरा कोडे पालसी म्हाका धुडू दितोले थोडेके भांगारूय घेतोले मेल्यार म्हाका कावळे हातोले गोंयकार मुझे माती येतोले ला ला
Well, I thought of making this video to tell you that we young talent of Goa are working really hard to give you our best music. And if we don't get your support and encouragement, our talent will die with ourselves and go to the grave. There are so many unheard voices in Goa that we need to discover. And with your support and encouragement, they will come forward. And you never know, they can achieve the international heights because of your encouragement. Copy the link and share it with your friends. Please do subscribe my channel because that will encourage me and boost me up. Thank you so much, and don't forget to encourage the young talent of Goa. Viva Goa, Viva Goans. Love you all. Peace out.